Lowe's. Oh shit. Yeah, Lowe's is here. They got here at one. Yeah, about 3:15. They called a little before that. They're here now with my refrigerator. Yeah, you're right. Trying to get some videos. Yeah, he just came in and said, "Where you got a refrigerator?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Where you want it?" I showed him in the kitchen right here. So they're getting it out of the truck now. I signed the paper saying I got it and everything. So yeah, I'm going out here. They're getting ready. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah. Well, you got to get out. You got to get your butt out of the way. Well, they're unloading it now. Yeah, I'm ready to get it put in. Yes. About 3. The clock's a little behind. About 3:22 right now. 3:22. Hurry up. Yeah, I'm gonna. You put you somewhere, okay? You won't go. You won't. Yeah, they're undoing it. They're taking all the wrappings and all out of it. Hope I get some video here. Shit, keep the door shut. My hair's on. Yeah, they're out there in the street. They got to take all the wrappings and protective stuff off of it. They got the hand cart. I don't see my phone right there. I was like trying to get some videos when I can of different things. Oh no, come on. Just hook it up, be done with it. I'll see y'all later. Oh shoot. It's taking a minute, I guess. Here they come. They're rolling it this way now. Yeah.
I'm going crooked now. Push right back. A little bit of spin. All right. I'm good. Yeah. Right right on that wall right now. All right, I'm the other brother.
They things too. Oh, what are you kidding? Okay. Yeah, they got it. I thought they were gonna plug it in, but I guess they didn't plug it in either. He took a picture of it when he dropped it off. You can plug it up. Yeah, they used to plug it up, make sure it comes on before they leave, you know. Now I guess they drop it off. I don't know if it's because of the virus or what. Ugh. I think it's taped off the cord. Seemed like it took a little bit a few minutes before I heard it come on. I said, don't tell me it ain't coming on, but I guess it took a few seconds for that thing to cut on. I'm gonna have to adjust the temperature on it. Yeah, I got to adjust the temperature. A guy had a hand cart, and at first he was the guy behind him said it won't go on. He said He said nah. I about to say, don't I have a refrigerator bigger than this going out the store before? Anyway, I guess I got to adjust everything on it. But that's what's going on for now. Let's see. Refrigerator going.